Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
Saya anak Malaysia. Saya anak Malaysia.
My experience at this event so far, it's been very, very fun. It's very meriah. Lots of people that I've never met on the regular. Lecturers pun ramai. And other than that, I helped the society, Malaysian Society, by selling nasi lemak. And it was really fun, like to meet new people and like learn entrepreneurship skills. Overall, it was very fun.